Hey everyone, how's it going? This is an unboxing of the Waves NX head tracker. So I bought this from their website. So here we go, waves.com/nx. Then on the side, 3D audio on any headphones. NX head tracker augments the realism of Waves NX software for 3D audio. So as far as I'm aware, the only headphone that has built-in this has a built-in Waves 3D audio on it is the Odyssey Mobius, and or the HyperX Cloud Orbit, but it's pretty much the same headphone. So this one, if you don't have if you have other headphones, you can use this to get the same NX 3D audio. So this is some instructions, and then yeah, instructions, and here's the head tracker itself. Also, you do need a battery for it. Okay, so so yeah, you clip this on your headphone on the top of on the headband itself, and then I think you have to have. I'll look into it more, but I think you need a webcam for the tracking. And that's pretty much it. And just for reference, this is the Odyssey Mobius, which has the built-in one. There you go. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the Waves NX head tracker.